Dear student, welcome back to the next lecture. In the last lecture, we have discussed the generation system model. In this generation system model, we have designed the generation model, load model, and we will calculate the risk indices. What are the risk indices? Loss of load, outage rate, schedule outage. These are the some risk indices. First, for the generation model, we will calculate the generating unit unavailability. The most important input quantities required in generation system reliability analysis are the capacity and the failure probability of the individual generating unit. किसी भी जनरेटिंग यूनिट के लिए उसकी फेलियर रेट क्या है, उसकी कैपेसिटी क्या है, इन चीज़ों के बारे में जानना सबसे पहले ज़रूरी है. तो व्हाट इज द अनएबिलिटी ऑफ द जनरेटिंग यूनिट? लैम्डा डिवाइडेड बाई lambda plus mu. The basic generating unit parameter used in static capacity evaluation is the probability of finding the unit on forced outage at some distant time in the future. This probability was defined in engine system as the unit unavailability. It is known as also the unit forced outage rate, that is called the FOR. Forced outage hours divided by forced outage hours plus in service hour. Here use the unit unavailability, lambda is the unit failure rate, mu is the unit repair rate. In other words, we can also define this unit unavailability, that is the what is the unit failure rate? We can say the summation of down time of the generation unit divided by summation of downtime of generating unit plus uptime of the summation of the generating unit. We can also define by the unit unavailability by this formula also. The ability A mu divided by lambda plus mu. This is the unit repair rate, lambda failure rate plus unit repair rate. This is for the generation side. Loss of load. The term capacity outage indicate a loss of generation which may or may not result in a loss of load. This condition depend on the generating capacity reserve margin and the system load level. तो लॉस ऑफ लोड की कंडीशन है वो किस चीज़ पर डिपेंड करती है? कैपेसिटी रिजर्व मार्जिन एंड द सिस्टम लोड लेवल. ए लॉस ऑफ लोड will occur only when the capability of the generating capacity remaining in service is exceeded by the system load level. Loss of load की कंडीशन कब occur होगी? When the capability of generating capacity remaining in service कि ये exceed हो जाए by the system load level. This is defined by the loss of load expectation, LOLE. This is defined the probability of CI minus LI. What is CI? CI is the available capacity on date I. LI forecast peak load on day I. The probability P CI minus Li, probability of loss of load on day I. By this we define the loss of load condition. Other indices we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.